So first method is run Windows Update Troubleshooter. So click to Windows Start key, go to Setting, click to System, scroll down, Troubleshoot, other troubleshoot, Windows Update. Click on Run and wait few seconds. It is detect what's issue in your system. It is coming like check the Windows Update issues, then select on No, then close, then next. Click again Start. Second solution, click to Run, open this, type service.msc, then press W, Windows Update. This is Windows Update. Double click to open, and if it is disable and manual, so please select automatically. Okay, then apply, and if it is not start, so click on Start, then OK, and then again select the Windows Update and then click on Reset, Restart, then close. Next, delete the software distributions folder, open this PC. Okay, go to C drive, then go to Windows, then software, come on S series, software distributions, open, then data store, that is your Windows data. Again back, select all, right click and delete. Check this and again, so check and skip this, close, again Windows R and OK, and Windows Update, and same, click to restart, then close. Next method, reset network update component by cmd command. So open cmd, click to start and type cmd on Windows search box, to right click to run as administrator. So that is all command to reset component. So one by one type, you can directly copy paste, otherwise you can type manually, copy and paste and hit to enter, then second. This command I will give you in descriptions. Code. then yes, like I right click, copy, simple, only right click to automatically paste this, enter. Printed. One by one type all the command. Do not miss any command. This is for proxy. Reset proxy and hit enter. And last one. So that is a stop. Firstly, stop the services. Then that is a command. Then again start the service. Okay. Then close it. Next, remove the cluster and update file. So click on search, type disk cleanup. Open this. And if you Windows will install on C drive, so pick from the list on press OK and clean up file system. So check download program, temporary, internet file, Windows update, temporary file, recycle bin. So please guys, recycle bin will be clear. Okay, if you have data, so record it. Delivery optimizations. Okay, if your data in recycle bin, so please recover. If you check and then clean up, so your data will be removed from recycle bin. Then click on clean up file system. Temporary file, check this again and click to OK and delete file. Next step, run antivirus scanner. So if you install the paid antivirus in your system, so open this and scan. Otherwise, open this PC and right click to C drive. Here to show your antivirus, like scan with the Microsoft Defender, because I am using Microsoft Defender, that's why it's showing. Okay, so Click to start. Type Windows security. Windows security. Open this. Then guys, click to virus and threat protections. Pick scan and scan options and choose Microsoft Defender antivirus offline scanner. And click on scan now. So your computer will immediately restart and bring to deep scan. Okay, so don't worry, wait 10 to 15 minutes. When it is completed, automatically restart your system. Yes, scan. Yes. So guys, this is automatically start.